Good morning, student. In the previous turn, we have discussed your question number 7 to 10 along with an extra question. Today, we have to discuss define the following terms in the chapter crop production and crop management. First term is what is a crop? When plants of same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Crop of wheat, for example, crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in a field are that of wheat. Second term is tilling. The process of loosening and turning of soil is called tilling or plowing, and this is done by a plow. Third term, crop rotation. Another method of replenishing the soil with nutrients is through crop rotation. This can be done by growing different crops alternately. Earlier farmers in the northern India used to grow legumes as a fodder in the one season and wheat in the next season. Fourth term is harvesting. Harvesting of crop is an important task. The cutting down of crop after it is mature is called harvesting. In harvesting, crops are pulled out or cut close to the ground when it is done manually, and it generally crops usually takes 3 to 4 months to mature. Fifth term is winnowing. Winnowing and threshing are the same process, but what is winnowing and what is threshing, just see the difference. Farmers winnowing. Farmers with small holding of lands do separation of grain from chaff is known as winnowing. Last is animal husbandry. Food is also obtained from animals for which animals are reared. This is called animal husbandry. Now move on to the some extra short answer type question. In this section, first question is name some sources of irrigation. The sources of irrigation are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, river, dams and canals. Question number 2. Explain how turning and loosening of the soil helps to make soil fertile. Answer is it helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. First advantage. Second advantage is it allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil, so the root can take water and nutrients from the soil properly. Third advantage, it brings the nutrient rich soil to the top so that plant can use these nutrients. Question number 3. Name some chemical fertilizers. The name of chemical fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate and NPK, nitrogen, potash and kalium, etc. Okay, thank you.